A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings. Me have one question for you today. If you did there with Jesus when they did arrest him, what you would have do? You would have stand up there with him and fight for him, or you would have run away left him? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God to talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you're not subscribed yet, go on now, click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure say you don't miss none of what are going on right here. So today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Mark chapter 14 from verse 43 to verse 52. Jesus did still a talk when Judas, one of them 12 special follower them, reach. One bag of people did a follow him with sword and big tick. At the head priest, the law teacher, and the elder them, did send them come. The one we sell out Jesus did give them one sign, say, the one we make kiss at him at the man. Arrest him, take him away, and guard him when you not take him away. When Judas reach him, walk right up to Jesus same time and say, teacher, and kiss him. Then them hold on upon Jesus and arrest him. One of the follower of them, where did that turn up there, take out his sword and chop one of the servants of the leader for the priest them. He chop off his ears. Jesus said to the crowd, say, I come with sword and big tick for arrest me, like me an old thief and murderer. Day in, day out. Me dem amongst you know, I teach in the yard where God owns day. And you never arrest me. But them something have to happen, so I write down in a God word can come true. Then all I special follower them take foot and run well left him. One young man did a follow back at Jesus. He did a wear only one linen cloth wrap around him. Them try to grab him, but he get away and run away naked, left in linen cloth in their hand. And God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.